Welcome to this BirdTrack video. In this video I will be showing you how to add a new place within BirdTrack. Once you've logged in, select My Places from the Your Options menu on the left of the screen. Next, go to Tools and Create New Place. Here you're presented with a map. You have three map options. You can display it as a satellite image, street map, or for the UK, an OS map. You can zoom in and out of the map using the scroll wheel on your mouse or using the plus and minus buttons in the top left hand corner of the map. The easiest way to create a new site is to simply zoom in on the area that you want to add a site to and then click Popular Places. This will display a range of popular places that are preloaded within BirdTrack and include a number of National Trust places, some RSPB reserves and National Nature Reserves. If you wish to use one of these popular places, simply click on the pin and select Use Place. This will then autofill the name of the site up in the top right hand corner. If you're happy with this site, you can click Save. This will then be saved to your places and be available for you to add records against in the future. If you are unable to find your site as a popular place, there are other options that you can use. Next, click on Location Search. Here you are given some options that enable you to locate your place. They are grid reference, UK postcode, city or town name, and latitude and longitude. If you wish to search by grid reference, click Grid Reference, then type in the grid reference of the site that you want. And press Go. This will bring up the site with a boundary box of the grid reference. You can also search by postcode, or town and city name. The lat long will also take you to a site. In this case, I am going to create one using a grid reference. Once you've located the area that you wish to add a place to, you have three options as to how you can define this site. You can define it as a point, a line, or a polygon. The first one I'm going to show you is a point. This is best used for sites where you add casual records against, so sites that you don't visit very often and only occasionally place records against. Once you've found the location, simply click on the map and a point will appear. If you're not happy with the location, you can click again on the map to move the point. Once you're happy with this, you can give your site a name and then click Save. The next way I'm going to show you is a line. This is best used for defining a site that you regularly walk. So in this case, we're going to do a walk along this path here. To start, click at the start of your walk and then click to follow the line that you take. Once you've finished, double click and the line will turn a pale turquoise blue. Again, give your site a name and click Save. The next one I'm going to show you is a polygon, and these are best used for defining sites that you regularly visit and cover an area that you regularly walk and add records against. So select Polygon. Once you've selected Polygon, you can start to outline the area that you visit. Simply click at the start point and then begin to outline the area that you visit. Once you've finished, you can double click or return to the start. The area will become lightly shaded. Once you've finished outlining, you can give your site a name and click Save. One added feature within BirdTrack is the ability to overlay sites that you already have. This is particularly handy if you want to double check that you haven't already added a site in the area that you're trying to add a site to. To do this, simply click the My Places option in the top left hand corner of the map. As you can see, I already have this site defined, so I don't need to create a new one. It's also possible to edit one of your existing sites. Again, select My Places from the Your Options menu on the left of the screen, and then you can simply scroll through your list of sites to find the site you wish to edit, zoom in on the map, or you can search for it by name. Once the site is shown on the map, simply click Edit. One handy feature is to see if there's an existing popular place that you can use to edit the site to. So simply click Popular Places in the left hand corner. And here we can see that there is RSPB Dungeness already marked out as a geometry. I can simply click Use Place and click Save. This is now moved from being a point here to being a predefined geometry. Having both Popular Places and My Places displayed together is a great way of finding large sites that you previously had defined as, say, a 10k, where you wish to be more precise with how you define them. So if we zoom in on the map here, we have Dawlish Warren that I have, which is set up as a 10k square, and the actual reserve is up here. So to edit this, simply click on the place, edit place, and then I can select the Dawlish Warren NNR underneath and select Use Place. It renames it, which I'm happy with the renaming, and then I click Save. And there you can see that my site's now been renamed Dawlish Warren NNR, and the boundary is changed from a 10k to a polygon. And you can do this for any of your sites. Simply repeat the process that I've just shown you.